Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional woodworker, or someone just getting started in home improvement, having the right tools can completely transform your workflow. In this video, we're reviewing 7 of the most powerful and versatile tools that are perfect for woodworking, metal crafting, and precision DIY jobs. These tools are packed with features designed for accuracy and built to make your work smarter, not harder. Whether you're measuring perfect angles, cutting flawless circles, or finishing edges with precision, these tools are absolute game changers. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. LOMVUM Protractor Laser. This compact yet powerful inclinometer is built for those who need precision. It offers a plus-minus 0.2 degree accuracy with repeatability of 0.1 degrees, which makes it perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. It supports both degrees and percentage readings and features a display resolution of 0.005 degrees. One of its standout features is the dual-side laser design, which allows you to project a precise line on both sides for better alignment. The magnetic base makes it easy to attach to metal surfaces while you're measuring. The USB Type-C rechargeable battery ensures it's always ready to go. Its auto shut-off feature after 30 seconds helps conserve power, and the auto flip function ensures readability from any angle. Whether you're framing walls or setting up machinery, this tool guarantees flawless accuracy. Number 6. Hole Saws Kit. For anyone into woodworking, this adjustable hole saw kit is a must. It offers cutting capacities of 30 mm to 300 mm, and the alloy steel construction guarantees durability. You can cut through plywood, laminates, hardwood, plastic, and rubber with ease. The package comes with adjustable blades, center drills, and a hex key, so you're ready for any task. From cabinetry to crafting circular speaker holes, this set is incredibly versatile. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this kit gives you the power to create perfect, clean holes with consistency. Number 5. Sander Belt Adapter. Transform your angle grinder into a belt sander with this brilliant adapter. Compatible with 115 mm and 125 mm grinders with an M14 thread spindle, this tool is a space-saving, money-saving upgrade. It features a 6-level variable speed control, a 180-degree swiveling head, and an ergonomic grip for extended comfort. It's great for sanding, polishing, and grinding, from woodworking to metalworking tasks. If you're working on doors, furniture, or even auto body projects, this adapter will become your go-to attachment for smooth finishes. Number 4. Allsome Dowelling Jig Kit. When it comes to building cabinets or furniture with dowels, this jig kit stands out. Made with aluminum alloy and hardened steel, it's engineered for long-term precision. The magnetic side clamp keeps the jig secure, while the adjustable sliders ensure hole alignment within 0.5 mm accuracy. It's designed to handle wood thicknesses like 10 mm, 14 mm, 18 mm, and more. Ideal for creating edge, surface, T-shaped, and L-shaped joints. This kit simplifies one of the trickiest woodworking tasks. Plus, it comes with all the drill bits and accessories you'll ever need. Number 3. Cordless Drill Pen. Small but mighty, this USB rechargeable engraver pen is perfect for engraving, grinding, and polishing. With 3 adjustable speed settings, it adapts to various materials like wood, stone, and metal. Its compact design makes it highly portable and perfect for hobbyists or detailed crafting. Whether you're into jewelry making, model building, or small repairs, this tool lets you carve and polish like a pro. And with USB charging, you never need to worry about dead batteries during a project again. Number 2. Mini Circular Saw. With a powerful 500W motor, this mini circular saw cuts through wood, metal, and tiles with precision. It runs at 6,000 RPM and includes 3 blades for various materials. This saw supports plunge cuts and comes with a track guide system, allowing for straight, smooth lines. The vacuum port attachment helps you keep your workspace clean. It's an ideal choice for cutting small boards, pipes, or tiles without needing a full-size circular saw. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's made for comfort and control. Number 1. Raizi Profiling Wheel. Designed for granite, marble, quartz, and porcelain, This diamond grinding wheel offers dual use for both wet and dry applications. It's available in different profiles, E5 to E20, to suit your specific beveling needs. With vacuum braze technology, it promises extended durability and consistent performance. Operating at 3,500 to 4,000 RPM, this profiling wheel delivers a professional edge finish in seconds. Whether you're a countertop installer or just perfecting stone edges at home, this tool is worth every penny. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.